उसके बाद नीचे आना है।
Hi Pashunya, good morning.
नीचे आपको लिखना है int result equal to।
So yesterday we have discussed something right over the domain knowledge. I have shared you the meetings recording as well, and the one more recording is there. That is what the summary highlighted. Right. Okay.
Give semicolon
Yeah,
and print the
exactly.
result.
Okay, so today I'm going to start the basic of Python, how where I can do the Python, right? I'm going to share my screen first.
रन करके देखो आउटपुट क्या आ रहा है।
Okay, so are you have only installed the Python or not?
So मैंने क्या बोला था, इन लाइन नंबर 5 इक्वल्स टू के बाद जो लिखा है ना, ये एक मेथड है।
What do you have to do?
lambda function। lambda function का मैंने क्या बोला?
You can simply search the Google Colab, right? Or either you can open the PyCharm. PyCharm is an application you have to download it. Right? This is what the simple thing. Or one more thing, you can download the Jupyter notebook as well, right?
आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया।
But Google Colab, yeah, right. The Google Colab is like user friendly, where you can search something. There is like AI. This is what AI integrated things. So if you got any error, so you can fix that box in the Jupyter notebook as well. Sorry, the Google Colab as well. Right? Right? Yeah. So today I'm going to start the basics of Python. Okay. Before that, starting the Python, right? I have some questions regarding that. Is this a time is good for you, right?
उसके बाद calculate method है
Right,
ना
for the session.
calculate method in the square।
You are entire day you are free or like you are working somewhere?
Yes, तो उसको आपको कॉल करना है, उसमें आपने int का वैल्यू क्या देना है, 7 देना है। उसके बाद उसमें वही आपको प्रिंट करना है। समझ रहे हो?
Like morning you are available, right?
थोड़ा एक बार देख लो, एक घंटे के लिए मैं बोलता हूँ स्ट्रीम पे।
Okay, fine. Giving me the access, right? Just give me your mail ID. What is the mail ID? Can I have your mail ID, please? Yeah, you can share in the chat. Okay. Open this file in your system, right? And do parallel with me. Okay. Okay. So for a data analysis, like why we are choosing the Python language only, not what is Java, C, C++? What is the reason for choosing only the Python language? Any idea you have? See, ease of learning. The easy syntax. Is my screen visible to you?
Next thing it called as string
Ease of
API.
learning. Second thing, large library collection, right?
String API
Having the vast library.
will convert
When you are working for a data scientist, you
Java
are
code
working for a
into
data
string
engineer,
format.
you are working for a business analyst, data analyst. All
Like
these data fields
professor
require the
जैसा
Python
इसके लिए आपको
very
बहुत सारे
efficiently.
code
Why?
लिखने
The reason,
You
ease
are
of learning,
code,
large
and
library
then
collection,
professional do the code.
comparable to the any
Udhar
other
aapko
programming
only
language
use
like
the
Java, Scala, C,
You have
C++,
got the same
right?
output,
Python has a
but
very
using the
vast
less number of
library
code.
collection. that's why this is what the reason Python is known to be a very versatile language. Why versatile language? Python is going to be used in game development, web development, Android development, software development, web application, software application, mobile application, in machine learning as well, right? Due to having its large library collection, that different library supports different development, right? Got it. So this is what the reason we are going to start our this analysis purpose over the Python, not over the any other languages. But talking about its library and its module, already has been already coded in C++. What we have to do, we have to only call the inbuilt function present in that collection.
Then you have to write the downstream method.
Right.
Okay.
Got it. There is a difference between the collection and the package.
Used to manipulate the data in the collection.
Package is a group of functions where just calling a package, there will be set of the functions behind there running. Whenever we have calling the collection have a different variety of the packages installed in it.
Like there are many methods inside your stream API.
Got it. So there is a difference between the packages and the collection. Package and module is the same thing. Module library is the same thing, but collection is a different thing.
We'll go one by one.
Got it.
Okay, then I will tell you what is
so yeah, I'm moving forward with the Python code. Okay. So Python is like very easy. If let's suppose if we have to like print something, if we have to print something, hello world, what we have to do, we have to only write print inside this hello world, that's it. And once you just run it, it will give you the simple output of hello world. Now what is the meaning? Inside the double quotes, whatever you are writing, inside the double quotes, whatever you are writing, it will print the same. Right. Before that, just I just want to give you an idea about this Google Colab. I think it's first time to you, like you are using this, right? So here is a thing, there you can upload a file for data analysis and machine learning model, right? Okay, here is already sample data present, right? This you can see like California test house.csv, right? Got it? So if you want to use this sample data, you can use. If you want to customize your data, if you want to use your own data, you can upload from here. Like let's suppose I have this finance data, so I can will upload. You can get finance.csv data has been uploaded successfully, right? Here is the runtime. If you will run all cells will be run. Got it? Fine. Here is the word Gemini AI integrated. It's a Python. If you just type it like what is the Python, okay? It will give you the like just like by the chat GPT, right? Got it. Here is the RAM. It's working on this storage is what RAM is. Okay, fine. Here is like collaboration. You can collaborate with different members as well, right? You can give the email ID. Likewise, I have given to you Excel, right? Same. Yes. Got it. Here is the word setting. You can create a new editor. You can use editor setting there, like AI assistant as well. Got it. Fine. You want to put a text? You can put a text as well. Got it. Fine. So this is what something you can do in the Google Colab. This is like very user friendly, comparable to the Jupyter, PyCharm. But if you guys like seriously want to use the Python as a production, like Python as for development, then Google Colab is not for you guys. Google Colab is only for analysis purpose, only for practices purpose. If you are a beginner in the Python, then you can use Google Colab. But if you want to make up any kind of an application, like a real-time application, so you have to use the PyCharm, note it down. PyCharm or the Python, right? Not the Google Colab. So yeah, I'm giving you the overview of the PyCharm as well. Community edition, right? Not professional. So this is what PyCharm Community Edition. Got it? Once you will just download it, and it will download in your system, and then you can start working. You have to just put the interpreter and the compiler. You have to set it. I will give you the separation. I will give you the very separate link, like how to install the PyCharm and how to do the code for the production level. Okay, when we are going to make an application, real-time application over the Python. Okay, at the last we will do one application, right? That's not an issue. We will do one application over the PyCharm. This is my office laptop, so this PyCharm is not running in this, so I will connect it to my laptop and I will let you know that how it's gonna work. Okay. Okay, Hasina. How is your preparation is going?
तो इसके लिए आपको EFS लिखना पड़ेगा ना.
Okay. Yeah.
तो ये जो लाइन नंबर 9 के बाद एंटर बटन में क्लिक करो.
Okay. So we are moving forward in the Python, right? So can you guys just let me know what is the meaning of the variable in a language like Python, C, C++, Java? What is the meaning of the variable?
Sorry. Less than.
Store something into it. Okay. Hasina? What is the variable?
उसके बाद नहीं एक बार रन कर दो कोड कोई जरूरत नहीं रन करो.
No. In general, any language doesn't matter. I'm asking in general.
if else में अगर सिंगल स्टेटमेंट है ना आपके मतलब इसके बाद आपने सिर्फ एक ही स्टेटमेंट लिखा सिस्टम में डाउनलोड.
Variable is a kind of a container that contains something, right? Use like right container that stores some value, right? Even not a value. Whenever we are just calling an API key, so that API key we have to store in API key variable, right? So variable is a kind of like container that contains something. Whenever we have to print that, we have to call that variable, and this memory allocation and calling is going to be automatically in the Python. We don't have to like remember to the compiler on the interpreter. Okay, first of all, just let me know what is the difference between the compiler and the interpreter.
इतना वाला लाइन हमने लिखा, फॉलो किया, इफ किया, ये सब प्रोसेस किया. Let me tell you how
you can search it as
the same thing.
No worries.
Your string.
Hasina, already I think I have already teach you this thing. What is the difference between the compiler and the?
ये सब कमेंट कर दो.
A lot of background noise from your side. I think. Yeah, let me know what is the difference between the compiler and the interpreter.
अभी 11 के बाद अरे वो निकालो ना एक पॉलीग्राफ. ये ज़्यादा हो गया आपका एक पॉलीग्राफ. अभी एंटर बटन अभी हो गया. अभी इसमें क्या करते हैं ना आपको इन द प्रीवियस वन यू हैव टू जस्ट गो फॉर एवरीवेयर. मतलब एक एक करके आपको रिट्राइव कर रहे हो. एक इंडेक्स 10 को
रिट्राइव
कर रहे हो ना आप ऑलरेडी लिख के. और इधर आपको एट ए टाइम आप एक लिस्ट में स्टोर करेंगे डाटा. उसके अंदर आप ऑपरेशन करोगे. ओके, जस्ट फॉर देयर you have to just store all the data inside your list. Okay, उसके लिए आपको लिखना पड़ेगा, क्लिक करना पड़ेगा लिस्ट में. राइट लिस्ट.
See here, right now I have only one line of code, just print hello world. Now the work process of a compiler and the interpreter would be different or same. It would be same. It would be same here. It would be same here. Why only we have one line of code. So compiler also executed at once, interpreter also executed at once. Coming to here, what compiler will do, automatically convert into the source code of the machine at once at a single time. But what interpreter will do, it will goes up to line by line. Is it clear? This is what the difference between the compiler and the interpreter. Okay, what exactly the machine understand? What language machine understand exactly? Can we understand like the human language? Can you just give me your name, such kind of a thing? So it will understand. So like how you are giving the command to the prompt to the ChatGPT. Hey, can you just let me know about the data science? What is the data science exactly is? So ChatGPT is giving you the data science, a kind of a technique where you can analyze or define your data to the model building. How machines can understand your language? You are giving the prompt via your voice. Okay. How?
नीचे तो डॉट है ना, नीचे डॉट स्पेस करो. हाँ, नीचे वाला डॉट जो स्ट्रीम पास कर दो डॉट उसमें ले आओ.
One by one. Yeah. Hachina, yeah. Tell me.
अभी थोड़ा बैक स्पेस एक करो, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. अरे सब आएगा. अभी लिखो डॉट
पंचुचन
डॉट, हाँ उससे नहीं, उससे पहले थोड़ा स्पेस दो, कर्सर को थोड़ा पीछे ले जाओ, अभी स्पेस दो, अभी कर्सर के बाद उसके बाद आ जाओ डॉट के बाद, अभी लिखो फिल्टर, फिल्टर लिखो स्मॉल स्मॉल
machine only understand zero and ones, that is what binary language, right? Whenever a kind of there is an AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Cider Fusion, Lambda 2.03, any model, anything AI model, any generative AI model, under that model there is a compiler and interpreter also that will convert your voice command into the machine understandable language 0 and 1. Machine can only understand 0 and 1, nothing else. There will be the mediator that will what they will convert, they will convert your language into the language that can machine understand easily, right? So whenever you are giving the command, whenever you are giving the prompt to the AI generative model via your voice, right? So there is automatically a model known as mediator, right? That automatically convert your command into the machine that understand.
नीचे वाले
Okay.
अरे हाँ कोई ना कोई,
Then it is what giving you the answer.
उसके बाद जो 50 के बाद आप
What is your command exactly?
50 के बाद,
Okay. Likewise that how this language, this programming language like Python, C, C++, Java, Scala, right, is interact with the user and interact with the system as well. We are giving command via this programming language. This programming language, they are like a compiler and the interpreter which is going to be converted that programming language into the source code. That is what? Machine understandable language. And then machine understand like what is your command, and then he will do actually as per like what you have asked to the machine. Is it clear? Directly machine can't understand your language. Machine cannot understand the human voice or the human language, right? Got it?
Can you just place
So is it clear? The difference between the compiler and the interpreter, right? Okay. So yeah, I was like talking about the variable, right? So take one variable a equals 1, b equals.
expression to Java you can list an integer.
What is the difference between a and b? Okay. Have I defined somewhere like a is an integer and b is a string? Where I have defined? Python is a dynamically typed language, interpreted dynamically typed language. There is no need to define the type of the variable you are going to use, right? If you are using a variable like this, it is understand to the compiler or the interpreter like this is what integer. If you are using this kind of a thing, understand, automatically get understand this is what string, float, boolean, no, what is this? Will it give the error? Why?
Okay, थोड़ा ऊपर देना कर्सर, थोड़ा कर्सर ऊपर करना एक बार, उसका मतलब
Now?
थोड़ा मेरे को फुल कोड लिखना है, एक लाइन
You will also give the error?
क्या लिखा है करके लिखना है।
Okay, let's see. No, this is an imaginary
just comment line
complex number. I think you have already heard about this word, complex number, real plus imaginary. The 12 is what? The 12 is what? Real. J. Yeah, exactly. A plus IB form, right? So this is what also kind of a data types in a Python, right? But there is no use of this imaginary complex. Somewhere you will like get something about the information and the use of the Python development. But mostly we have to work these four: integer, string, float, and boolean. Right? There is a function. Okay, defining the function. So function defined in Python, the two types. First, the inbuilt. Second, user-defined function. Now, what is the meaning of inbuilt function and what is the meaning of user-defined function? Yeah, Hasina, let me know.
Yeah. Okay. अभी जो स्पेस है ना फिल्टर से पहले एक बार वो रिमूव करो, सबको एक लाइन पे ले आओ.
हेलो हसीना.
सिर्फ नहीं. ओके. और एक बार.
या.
चलेगा. तो अभी रन करके देखो. तो देखो ना, उससे पहले आपने कितने लाइन पे 3 लाइन लिखा है. ओके, मिनिमम आपने 3 लाइन लिखा. सेमीकोलन बिकॉज़ वो करीब छोड़.
There is a word comes inbuilt. What is the meaning of?
तो पहले उसने
already have.
तो when you write the string,
already have scripted. Already have been settled.
उसके बाद
right.
फिल्टर
inbuilt, built-in
मेथड है. उसके अंदर आपको लिखना है
like right now you guys and I'm also using the Android phone or iPhone. There is a like inbuilt function.
If you want to go for the
inbuilt battery, right? There is no outsource of battery. There is like inbuilt battery structure already in there. What is the meaning of inbuilt? Already have been set up. User defined. You have to set up as per the user defined, as per the user need. Right. So there is a type function known as an inbuilt type function, right? Okay. And this function will work. See, class of int.
और इसमें जो लिखा है
if you want to cross verify whether this what is the data type of this, you can cross verify with the type function.
फिर लिखना है sum.
Clear?
Yes, you have. उसमें आपके पास ब्रैकेट देना है आपको डॉट दो ना.
Now what is this? It's a list. Now what is list? Storing different item
Okay, can you just remove the
in
sum
a
and
single container, in a single variable.
मैं filter को remove कर एक बार.
Right. It may be a string as well. It may be a float as well. It may be a boolean as well, and it may be a imaginary number as well. Right? Is it clear?
तो मैप के अंदर आप लिखोगे क्या लिखोगे अगर आप want to give any अगर addition subtraction
a equals 12 b equals 12 is a equals to b.
Yes, करो एक बार.
A equals to b. Okay, is a is actually b. Exactly. When we are defining any variable, every variable will be unique. There will be unique location address. There will be unique memory allocation.
और एक बार previous वाले कॉलम पे लगा दें.
Right. So this a and this b having the similar values, even having the similar value, still both are what different. Right.
अभी int error की हमारा पता चलेगा. int sum equals to sum 1 लिखना equals to देखो अभी.
What about this?
आपका
having different value but same variable.
में सब कुछ देखो l dot string
what if I print the A, which value will be
उसके बाद
printed
आपको लिखना है डॉट डॉट मैप
always be updated.
मैप टू इन जो आया
No,
लाइन नंबर
that's not higher. Always be updated one.
कंट्रोल जेड करो एक बार
This
मैप टू इन यस उसके बाद उसके अंदर लिखना है एन वो लैम्डा वाला एन लिख के सिर्फ एन लिखना है
yeah, you can say that. First line will execute,
एन
second line will execute. So
उसके बाद लिखना है
print
dot
inside of A.
sum.
So interpreter will give the command to the compiler like A is what exactly what 13.
एंटर बटन करो और ब्रैकेट देना है सम के बाद
A equals this value.
प्रिंट करना है सम वन प्रिंट तो कर दो ना
Always be the updated one, right? Taking a command from the user.
तो सम एक मेथड टू सम करने के लिए ओके आपने सब कुछ को स्ट्रिंग पहले आपने किया स्ट्रिंग मेथड करके सब कुछ आपको स्ट्रिंग में फॉर्मेट में किया उसके बाद मैप किया आपने वो उसको मैप किया इंटीजर फॉर्मेट में ओके सब कुछ डाटा को
Whenever you are taking a command from the user, it is a kind of a integer command or integer value. We have to identify this int.
ओके अभी ये लाइन नंबर 15 को और एक बार कॉपी करो लाइन नंबर 19 के बाद पेस्ट करो ये 19 के बाद सब कुछ मिक्स हो रहा है इसके अंदर सॉरी 20 के बाद हाँ अंदर इसको U1 करो अभी स्ट्रीम से पहले जो कुछ है सब कुछ एक एक करो स्ट्रीम से सिर्फ बात बता रहे हैं अभी लिखो डॉट डॉट मैप
Whenever we have to take the string command,
देना है ब्रैकेट
then
एंटर बटन कर देना हाँ उसको ब्रैकेट देना है सॉरी एन एन अंदर लिखना है जो ऑपरेशन है उसके अंदर एन लैम्डा वाला फंक्शन देना है आपको
or we have to define the str like is that
n plus n
or is it
plus
okay?
n उसके बाद बाहर आना है लिखना है डॉट कलेक्ट टू लिस्ट कंट्रोल जेड हो गया डॉट नाउ अभी U1 को एक बार प्रिंट करना है प्रिंट तो कर दो ना भाई
It's taking too much time. Okay. Try this piece of code in your own ID.
वो एक
Hasina, you have already opened the Google Colab. Share a screen.
10 20 30 एक बार 10 to 40 करा उसके बाद
Both of you guys connected with a laptop, right?
उसके बाद ये करके दिखा
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
एक n into n मतलब n का वैल्यू 10 है तो 10 plus 10 क्या हुआ 20 उसके बाद 20 में आगे गया 40 20 और उसके बाद उसका वैल्यू
Try for string and in integer as well. After that, try for float value.
20 40 plus 40 80 20 plus 20 40 70 70 70 to 140 99 to 180 जो गया उसको एक बार उसमें दिया और तो एक बार ये सब कोड एक बार देख लेना करंट में ओके एनी डाउट जस्ट लेट मी नो ओके ओके एक बार अच्छे से देख लेना एनी डाउट जस्ट लेट मी नो तो मेरा बात है ओके तो बात डाउट्स आएगा एक बार अच्छे से कर पढ़ना ओके ओके बाय
Take the input from the user. any one. Don't need to take these two values, only one value, and simply print that value. What are you doing? After the print, you have to open the round braces, right? That you have to keep that A inside that round braces. Enter the value, anywhere like 12. Enter. Fine. Now take the string value. This is what this is, integer, right? Take the string value. Take the string. You have specified the str, right? So why you are giving the output as 1242? 1242 is not integer. I want the string string input. Run that again. Give the string input like your name. Right. Okay. Do one thing. Remove the str from above. Yeah. Remove the str. Okay. R as well, and the braces as well. Bracket. Yeah. And that from end as well. Yeah. Now run this. Yeah. Run this. Yeah. Keep string value, any value like your name. Enter it. No, enter it. Fine. What does it mean? Taking the string in. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Do one thing. Remove the int from the above line of code. Above block, above one. Yeah, remove int that you have specified the int. Remove that with braces as well. That's fine. Take integer number. Run it again. No, run it again. And take integer number. Fine. So if you want to include string parameter or int parameter like str or int, is it fine? But if you have forgot to include that int parameter or str parameter, compiler will already understand as what you are giving as an input. So it depends upon your input. If you are giving as an str input, it will print as an str. If you are giving as an integer input, it will print as an integer. Clear, Manchitanya? So this is a way how we can get. Yeah. Is there any way? What? Depends. No. It depends. Yeah, what I'm saying, automatically get understand. It depends like what you are entering, what you are going to enter as an input, right? Fine. Okay. In my collab it's not working, taking too much time to load, that's why I have told you to start here. Okay, yeah, fine. Stop presenting, I'm presenting. So memory allocation is confirmed, right? Is it clear? Having similar variable, similar values, different variable, the different values. Memory allocation always be different for every unique values. For every unique variables you are going to create in that, right? Is it clear? Fine. Now I am moving to the operators, the Python operators. First, what is the meaning of operators? Operands on which we are going to perform the operation, right? This operators is known as arithmetic. Fine. A plus B, addition. A minus B, subtraction. A into B, multiplication, the simply multiplication. A divided B is what? Division. A double division, this is known as a flow division, right? So it will give you exact to the near zero answer, right? Print A into B, this is known as to the power 2 to the power 3 to the power 23. This is known as modulo, right? This is known as what? Modulo. Remainder. Clear? What? It will give you simple the remainder. This is remainder operator, modulo. This is known as to be modulo operator. Got it? Now moving into the second one. Covering right now the very basic things in the Python. Comparison operator. Now what is the meaning of comparison? Having the two operands having the different value, either the low, high, maybe the same as well, right? Fine. Let's suppose A equals to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We have to compare it. What are the different expression is there? Print A equals B. What is the meaning of equals B? Exactly same. A does not equals B, B does not equals A is a similar thing or different? This one or is it different? How?
Because
how it is different?
There is no difference like data
A not equals to B and B is not equals to A is a different thing or same thing?
Can you
I'm simply asking,
told me
this and this
one.
expression is same or different? A is not equals B, A is different, right? So how can B is like
No, but
similar to A? This is what similar thing, right?
both are like data analysts have also like vacancies and the data engineer also. But yeah, you had any work?
If you have any kind of a expression inside the print statement, the output always be in the form
So
of
you know about
true
the data
and
analyst
false.
and data engineer about
Always
the
be
basic
Boolean.
skills and anything?
One, you just convert this
No, no.
Boolean expression,
Like
sorry,
you know-
this Boolean
like you know
output
Python,
into the
SQL,
machine
Power
language.
BI, Tableau,
The meaning of
anything else,
false
like
would be the 0
regarding to the data analyst or
and
data
true
engineer.
would be the 1, right? Is it clear, Hasina?
So data analyst is
Okay.
good for you as compared to data engineer. Yeah.
Logical operators.
Yes.
Okay. Hasina, please define the logical operator. Already we have discussed this thing, right? What is the meaning of logical operator? Have you guys studied about the NAND gate, AND gate, OR gate in your semesters?
You want
I think
any from
there
our
would
side
be.
or anything else?
So you can define it, right? And or not. What is the meaning of this? Let me know the output of this.
So you wanna talk with our IT team members? Do you want? Maybe you have to pay extra. Maybe you have to talk with Rasim.
See.
Sorry, Prashant.
Output of these
Data
two.
analyst, right?
True and false, true or false. Now this
So
and
with this,
or is working as
all
the
these
logical operators.
Yes.
Let me know the answer for this.
Thank you.
Hasina, what would be the output? Panchajanya,
Not today.
think about it. Consider this true. See,
Yeah, I am.
consider this true as a 1,
As a
this
full
false
value.
as a 0. 1. Now this AND operator,
Yeah,
how it will work?
Because you know about the data engineer, because that's why I'm telling you data analysis is as compared to data engineer is easy. That's why.
Mm-hmm. See,
Because,
false,
if we are choosing
here is
data
true.
engineer, no, so you have
1,
must like 6 years of
0.
experience, real experience.
What operation be there so
Then
that
you
it can give you the 0?
Correct the interview or anything.
Multiplication?
Yeah.
1
So it is good for
and 0.
Mm-hmm.
What operator will be there to get answer as a 1? Addition.
No, I am resuming.
So this
maker.
AND operator will work as a multiplication and this OR operator will work as a addition. Is it clear?
And you want that will handle like.
This is not as well. What is the meaning of
confirm your
not?
resume, then forward it to the marketing team and they will tell
Inverter.
you.
This is an inverter. this is what a inverter. If it is a true, it will convert to the false.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Got it? So this is what about the logical operator. Assignment operators. Simple x equal 23, but I want the repetitive with addition.
Hello.
X plus equals 23. Whatever will be the value of x, it will add x plus 23. Expand this expression, it will be the x equals to x plus 23. Right. Likewise that y equals 34, then y. Now what is the meaning? Expand this and it would be y equals to y into 34. Clear? This is what known as assignment operator. We have to assign the values. How we can assign? This is what the simple meaning to assigning. But this is known to be like repetitive addition. Right, whatever you have in the past value of x, it will add x into the new value, so it will give you the updated one. Okay, bitwise operator. Again, bitwise operator, you have to convert into the binary number first. Got it? And or. Print 4 and 3. Print what can we guess? 4 or 3. Binary number of 4, tell me, and binary number of 3. 1 0 0 and binary number of 3 0 1 1. 1 0 0 or 0 1 1. What would be the answer? 0 or 7. Taking the bitwise operator between the two operands like 4 and 3, giving you the output as a 0. How this is? Open the pen and paper, write the binary for 4 and write the binary for 3 and do this kind of a multiplication and let me know whether I'm getting the same output or not. Let me know this thing and then try this for this operand. Do you guys have an idea about the binary multiplication, how we can do the binary multiplication? Have idea about how to calculate any number to the binary conversion? This is what a very basic thing, right? I think you guys have heard like they studied in this in your semesters, I think, right? This is what a basic thing. Got it? Again, this AND will be considered as what? This OR will be considered as a what? So whenever it's gonna be the plus, so 4 plus 3 will simply be the 7. How? See, 1 0 0, right? Zero 1 1 addition. Yeah, we are doing that. 1 plus 0.
नहीं एक ही है अखिल से बात है
1 0 1 0
उसको तो एक स्केल नहीं आती
1
अखिल
1
कुछ नहीं आता
we are getting.
और उसका 2023 में खत्म
But
हो गया।
whenever we have this kind of a multiplication, right, the process of a calculating is going to be the different. For the addition, it's simple, but for multiplication it would be different, right? So you guys can search it about the binary multiplication, the binary addition. It's not for like to use in the Python development, but just for your simple basic knowledge how to convert this regular number, regular integer number into the binary one, right? This thing. Got it? So this is what about the bitwise operator. Okay. So in this today's session we have already covered the basics of Python in the first session. In today's session we have covered all kinds of these operators that are going to be used in the Python development, right? From tomorrow onwards we are going to use the while loop, for loop, if else conditional statement and the functions, right? And after that we will start this tuple dictionary set, and then we will move into the NumPy pandas. From next week onwards we will move into the NumPy pandas. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt you guys have in this session? Right, only we are covering just the basics of Python till now. Okay, I'm going to share this screen recording as well, and I will give you the summary highlights video as well. Yesterday I have given you the 2 videos, right? There will be the summary highlight if you guys don't watch the recording, so you can just this is what AI prompted video, right? You can listen the summary of the video, that's enough for you, right? To understand the summary of the video, right? Okay, then we'll meet on tomorrow. If you guys have any doubt, any queries, if you are going to stuck anywhere, you guys can click on that round, right? Yeah. Thank you man, thank you for joining the session. Have a great day. Yeah, no problem.